Today I'm going to show you how to make and post your first YouTube video. Let's do this. To post a video, you obviously need a YouTube channel. I'm going to assume you've already created one, but just in case you haven't, we have a full guide you can check out right here. Secondly, to get the best tools to help you succeed on your YouTube journey, we'll also assume you've signed up to vidIQ and authenticated your YouTube channel with us. If you haven't, there is a link in the description. It'll only take a couple of minutes and it's completely free. All good? Then let's move on. Now then, someone once told me, or maybe I read this from somewhere, by failing to prepare, you prepare to fail. So before you make your first video, let's do a little bit of research. And then from this dashboard screen, go to the Keywords tab. Now for a quick example. Let's say you love Minecraft and you want to make a YouTube video about it. Type in a sentence for a video that you might want to watch on YouTube on the topic. You will now be shown a list of keywords. These are words and phrases people are searching for related to your search query. You should note these down to help you with video ideas in the future and include these words and phrases in your video titles and descriptions. On the right hand side are some trending videos on the topic. If other creators are doing well with these video titles and thumbnails, you should think about how you can make similar content to join in on the trend on YouTube. It looks like building survival houses is a trending topic in Minecraft, and thumbnails often show the outside of a building with no text at all. Now then, let's take this creator's channel name and go to the competitor screen in the vidIQ web app. On the right hand side of this screen, type that channel name into the search box and then add this channel as a competitor. Now, let's not worry about how many views their channel has today. What we are interested in is what type of videos they are making. And right here is a perfect list of videos that show you how to make good content for a Minecraft building audience. Whatever you want to do on YouTube, whether it's be a gamer, a tech channel, a hair and makeup blogger, put a simple search into these tools and it will give you an idea of what type of audience is watching what in your field of interest on YouTube. Now here comes the bit where you face the fear and do it anyway. My simple advice right now to you is press record. It is true, your first video may be your worst video, but it is your first video on a journey to success and creative freedom. If I were to give you a couple of very simple tips right now, audio is more important than video. Make sure that people can hear you and your content crisp and clearly. Don't just film something and upload it straight to YouTube. Think about a very simple video editor to cut out maybe some of the mistakes, pauses, boring bits. And how are you going to add your own personality to this video? Are you going to be in front of camera, or at the very least can people hear your voice so they can get to know you? Once you've made your video, it's time to upload it to YouTube and publish it. When you upload your first video to YouTube, here are a few simple pointers. Write a title that is going to create intrigue and hook the viewer into clicking your video. And make sure to include those keywords we spoke about earlier in your description as much as you can. Secondly, and this is probably the most important thing, verify your YouTube account. This, among other things, will allow you to upload custom thumbnails, and this image is crucial in grabbing a viewer's attention as they explore YouTube. If you haven't done this yet, here's a full guide. And finally, to help you with all aspects of your video creation, download the vidIQ browser extension, which adds tons of awesome tools to your YouTube experience, helping you research keywords, analyze every single video on the platform, and audit your own channel in minute detail. We've also got a mobile app to help you on the go, and you can grab all of this for free. Yes folks, it's as simple as that. Do the research, make the content, upload a video, press publish. We'll see you on YouTube.